In this video, I'll go over Work Together, Chapter 13, Lesson 4, on the topic of paying withholding and payroll taxes from our Century 21 accounting book, General Journal Edition 10E by Gilbertson, Lehman, and Gentene. So all credit to them for this text and this problem in particular. So we have a cash payments journal right here, and I'll guide you through the example. It says the following payroll data are for Tesla Electric for the monthly pay period ended March 31st of the current year. So we have a monthly pay period. We know that credit balances on March 31st for the unemployment tax accounts are as follows. Unemployment tax payable, federal, $515.52, and state, $1,159.92. So the first thing we'll do is prepare a journal entry for payment of the withheld taxes. So since they're a monthly scheduled depositor, we know that check number 495, so we'll go ahead and put that here, on cash payments journal page 14. So type that in. And using the date that taxes are due to the federal government. So here's what we know. Our month ended March 31st. So they'd be due the 15th of the next month. So April 15th. And the taxes, we want to start with our employee income tax. So we had federal income tax withheld. So we'll type in our account title, employee income tax payable, and that amount is $1,320, and we'll go ahead and put that in the general debit. And then the next one we need to do is Social Security tax payable. And this one's a little trickier. We had to know that both the employee and the employer have to put in the same amount. So whatever the employee had, the employer had to as well. So $1,331.76. And you're going to take that number times 2. So $2663.52. And then same thing on the Medicare tax payable. $311.46 times 2 is $622.92. And then of course the cash credit will be all of these added together. So $4606.44. All right, so that's the end of the first one. And now we need to do the entries for Futa and Suda tax liabilities, check number 522 and 523. So these will both be on at the end of the next month. So we'll put the 30th here. And unemployment tax payable, federal, and they said check number 522, and then the next one would be also on the same date, and unemployment tax payable, state, and that was check number 523. And our amounts for those were $515.52, and then $1159.92, and then both of those will actually be cash credits as well. Notice we didn't have anything that went in these special amount columns other than the cash credit. Because we'd entered things here, we knew that there would be general debits, right? So that is the end of the paying withholding and payroll taxes, problem 13-4. Hopefully that all clicked and made some sense.